There was a woman, we'll call her Narayani, who just about 6 years ago, this is a true incident, was talking with someone from Singapore Airlines. She lives in Australia. She's still here. Anyway, she had an expired ticket to go from Brisbane Airport in Australia to India, but it had expired. So she was randomly talking to an agent from Singapore Airlines, and they got to talking, and it so happens that this lady is a disciple of Jayapataka, and somehow or other in the conversation Jayapataka's name came up, and the agent was very impressed. The agent said, well, Jayapataka, he's more than just a gold member or a platinum member or a silver member. He's like a celebrity. I mean, everybody in Singapore Airlines knows his name, and he probably has traveled more miles on Singapore Airlines Airways than any other person. And so they got to talking, and it turned into a very friendly conversation. And this lady, Narayani, finally was told by the agent that she would honor her expired ticket, and she could fly to India in a week's time, which she wanted to do all the time. Hare Krishna.